皆さん、こんにちは. Today I would like to start off by introducing some of the new kanji that we have from this chapter. So let's take a look at some more new kanji. So back in the last set of kanji videos, we studied the kanji for to rain, ame. So that kanji you can see in this kanji right here at the top. The top of this kanji is ame. And the bottom one has like the rice paddy kanji, but with a long tail at the end. So this kanji represents electricity or lightning. It's the den in denki, the den in densha, and the den in denwa. So it actually comes up in a lot of words that we know. So when we write it, we're going to start out by writing ame. And then we're going to do something similar to the rice paddy kanji, but the stroke order is a little different. And we finish with the long tail that goes flat and hooks back up. So let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 flat hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 flat and hook. This is the den in denki, the den in densha, and the den in denwa. Our next kanji is kuruma. It can be read kuruma and also sha. So this is the sha in densha and the sha in jitensha. This kanji is pretty simple. We can see like it is shaped kind of like a cart with the 2 wheels on the side. So let's write it together. We'll start with 1. This one is a little short. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this is the longest, 7. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 長いです。7. So this is 車 or 電車の車. Our next kanji is 馬 Uma. We are learning this kanji mostly because it is a part of another kanji, but it can also be sort of useful for us. So this kanji, the stroke order is a little bit difficult to tell from just looking at it, so let's look at the stroke order carefully. We start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hook, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So as you might have noticed, if any of you study Chinese or write Chinese, you probably noticed that the stroke order for this kanji is a little bit different than it is in Chinese, so just be careful, keep that in mind. For those of you who are learning this kanji for the first time, it is, I think, helpful to see the stroke order so that you can know how you're supposed to make the shape. So we start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hook, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now we are going to use this kanji, uma, to help us write another kanji, eki. This is a kanji that you will see all the time if you go to Japan. This is the kanji for a train station, eki. So we write this with uma plus this other part on the right. So first, we're going to write uma. It's like uma is a little bit skinnier so that we can fit the whole thing together. And then we add this other part on the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hook, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14. Last time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Eki. Our last kanji for today is mura. Mura. So this kanji means like a village. It can be read as mura or son. So like the son in soncho, who is like the head of the village. So we write this kanji first on the right. We have mokuyobi no moku, the kanji for tree. And then we have this one extra part on the right. So we will start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hook, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hook, 7. One last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hook, and 7. Mura. That's it for the new kanji that we're going to introduce today. So make sure you practice both reading and writing the kanji so that you can remember them long term.